Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to see the MCQ related with superconductivity. So the first question, below transition temperature, the electrical resistance of the superconductor is option A finite, option B large, option C 0, option D none. The correct answer is option C 0. Next question, the phenomena of superconductivity was first discovered by option A Commanding Owens, option B Richard Smalley, option C Otto Lehmann, option D Niels Bohr. The correct answer is option A Kamerlingh Owens. Next question, superconductors are discovered in the year option A 1900, option B 1991, option C 1911, option D 1905. The correct answer is option C 1911. Next question, the temperature at which the conductivity of the material becomes infinite is called option A critical temperature, option B absolute temperature, option C mean temperature, option D crystallization temperature. The correct answer is option A critical temperature. Next question, the minimum amount of current passed through the body of the superconductor is ordered to destroy the superconductivity is called option A normal current, option B critical current, option C eddy current, option D Hall current. The correct answer is option B critical current. Next question, below transition temperature the London penetration depth is option A almost constant, option B increase exponentially, option C decrease exponentially, option D none. The correct answer is option A almost constant. Next question, the magnetic lines of force cannot penetrate the body of superconductor. A phenomenon is known as option A isotopic effect, option B BCS theory, option C Meissner effect, option D London theory. The correct answer is option C Meissner effect. Next question, type 1 superconductors can produce a magnetic field of order of option A 100 Tesla, option B 10 Tesla, option C 5 Tesla, option D 0.1 Tesla. The correct answer is option D 0.1 Tesla. Next question, the electron pairs in the superconductors are called option A Bourdon pair, option B copper pair, option C BCS pair, option D Josephson pair. The correct answer is option B copper pair. Next question, a material changes from normal to superconducting state below dash temperature. Option A Curie temperature, option B critical, option C Weiss, option D none. The correct answer is option B critical. Next question, the transition temperature of the mercury is option A 7.5 Kelvin, option B 12 Kelvin, option C 4.8 Kelvin, option D 4.2 Kelvin. The correct answer is option D 4.2 Kelvin. Next question, the superconductor the critical magnetic field Hc dash with a decrease of temperature. Option A increases, option B decreases, option C will not change, option D none. The correct answer is option A increases. Next question, the maximum current that can be passed through the semiconductor is called option A supercurrent, option B optimum current, option C critical current, option D none. The correct answer is option C critical current. Next question, a superconductor is a perfect dash material. Option A insulator, option B semiconductor, option D dielectric, option D diamagnetic. The correct answer is option D diamagnetic. Next question, copper pairs are broken at dash temperature. Option A 0 Kelvin, option B critical temperature, option C below critical temperature, option D above critical temperature. The correct answer is option B critical temperature. Next question, squares are used to measure dash associated with the brain and chest. Option A power, option B energy, option C stress, option D voltage. The correct answer is option D voltage. Next question, maglev trains are constructed based on dash effect. Option A gravitation, option B electrical, option C Meissner, option D none. The correct answer is option C Meissner. Next question, the critical temperature is the temperature where option A the resistivity of the superconducting material drops to 0, option B the current flowing through a superconductor is minimum, option C the magnetic field inside a superconductor becomes constant, option D none. The correct answer is option A. The resistivity of the superconducting metal drops to 0. Next question. Meissner effect is strictly followed by option A. Diamagnetic material, option B. Ferromagnetic material, option C. Superconducting material, option D. Paramagnetic material. The correct answer is option A. Diamagnetic material. Next question. The copper pair is option A. 2 electrons moving in the same direction, option B. 2 electrons with resultant spin 0, option C. 2 electrons connected like a boson, option D. 2 electrons connected through a phonon. The correct answer is option D. 2 electrons connected through a phonon. Next question. If the material is transformed into a superconducting state, from the normal state it is entropy. Option A decreases, option B increases, option C remains same, option D shows abrupt change. The correct answer is option A decreases. Next question. Mercury has the transition temperature of 4.185 Kelvin when its isotopic mass is option A 208.7 U, option B 199.5, option C 192.3, option D 203.4. The correct answer is option B 199.5. Again, we'll see next video. Thank you.